Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day today. So in this video, we're going to be going over the new Dollar General digital coupons for Sunday, February the 21st. And we also have a new glitch to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So before we get into the new digital coupons, I just want to make a quick announcement that we will be having another clearance event. Suburban Beard announced on his channel, he confirmed it, that we will be having a clearance event on February the 26th through the 28th. So if you guys didn't know, I've already been preparing for this over the past couple of weeks. I've been seeing new POG clearance tags pop up in different stores. So I've been taking pictures. We're going to have a lot of visuals. I'm going to update the list from the last clearance event, and we should have some pretty good coupon matchups as well. So get ready for that. I will have that video uploaded at some point this week whenever I get everything together and organized for you guys. So be on the lookout for that and let me know down below. Are you guys excited for this upcoming clearance event? Because I know I am. So now we're going to jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Now we don't have a ton this week, but we do have some really good deals, and I am going to be doing a good deals and glitch video, so stay tuned for that. There are some pretty good coupon matchups, and we do have a glitch. So first up, you want to make sure you clip that 5 off 25. We have $2.50 off one for the Clearasil products. Now the little cleaning pads are priced at $7, so after that coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $4.50. However, it's not attaching, at least from home. So if you want to pick up this product, just make sure that you scan it in the store to make sure the coupon attaches. So we'll go ahead and clip that. We have 1 off 3 for the Coca-Cola Company products. The 12 packs are on sale this week, 3 for $12. So after that $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $11 for 3. We have 1 off 2 for the Glade products. So here is our glitch for the week. So this one is working on the clean linen cones and Hawaiian breeze scented cones. Those are priced at $1 each. So picking up 2 will put you at $2. Taking off that 1 off 2 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $1 for 2. And the coupon excludes the solids. So again, it's only working on those 2 scents: clean linen cone, the clean linen scented cone, and the Hawaiian breeze cone. So definitely clip that one. If you don't want to pick up those little cones, or if the glitch stops working, this is working on the refill sprays, the 2-pack oils, and the 2-pack candles. Those are priced at $5 each. So picking up 2 will put you at $10. After the coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $9 for 2. Then we have our good friend, the Aquafina 50 cents off 1 coupon. So this is priced at $1.50. After the 50-cent coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $1. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick scented oil starter kits. Those are priced at $3.35. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1.85. Now I'm going to skip clicking this. So next up we have 3 off 1 for the all 4-in-1 duo packs, the Snuggle Liquid or the Scent Shakes. Now those are on sale this week, 2 for $8. So if you want to pick up 2 at $8, use this 3 off 1 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $5 for 2. So that'll make them $2.50 each. But you can also just pick up 1 at $4, use this 3 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just $1. So that is a really great deal. Usually this coupon is a 3 off 2. So definitely clip that one and take advantage of that deal this week. Next up, we have $1.50 off of 1 for the Glade plugins plus warmers only pack. So this one wasn't attaching to anything in the app. However, I went ahead and clipped it to my account, and we'll see what we can find in store, scan a few things, and see if it will attach there. Next up, we have 3 off 1 for the Bic Soleil Click 3s, the Comfort 3 Hybrid, or the Flex 4 hybrid disposable razors. So all of these are priced at $6. After the $3 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3, so it's pretty much half off. And all of these packs includes the razor and a 4-pack refill or the 6-pack refill. So next up we have 1 off 1 for the 1-A-Day or Flintstone multivitamin products. So this coupon is attaching to the 1-A-Day vitamins that are priced at $5 as well as the Flintstone vitamins that are priced at $1. So after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $4. Now I'm not going to clip this one to my account because we usually get higher value coupons for the vitamins. So I'm going to pass on this, but if you need to pick up this item this week, definitely go ahead and clip it. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the extra laundry detergent, 150 ounce. So these are priced at $4.50. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3.50. Then we have $1 off any Composure protective underwear, men's or women's. So these are priced at $8.95. After the coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $7.95. Then we have $1.50 off of one Clear Seal product. So again, this one wasn't attaching, at least from home, but again, those are priced at $7. So after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $5.50. We do have that $2.50 off of one digital coupon, so I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. Then we have the $1 off of one for the Belvita breakfast biscuits. So those are priced at $2.50. After that $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have the Body Armor sports drinks or Body Armor light drinks. So here's a coupon. It's $4 for 4 of them. They are normally priced at $1.25 each. So next up, we have $1 off of any Rexall or Rexall Naturalist Melatonin 20 to 120 count. So the 60 count is priced at $2.75. So after that $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1.75. Or you can pick up the 75 count that is priced at $3. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $2. Then we have save $2 when you buy any 2 Dove or Dove Men Plus Care deodorants. So definitely go ahead and clip this one. It is a DG store coupon, so we can stack it with some of those manufacturer Unilever coupons that we received last week. And I've already got some coupon matchups for us, so definitely don't forget about that next video that's coming out. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notifications. Alright, next up we have 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye product. This is another really good coupon. So this is working on the eyebrow pencils or the eyeliner 2-packs. These are priced at $4. After that $3 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1. Then we have save $2 on any DG Health Allergy Relief tablets, 60 count or 60 sprays. So those are priced at $7.50. After the $2 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $5. Then we have save $1 on any one package of U by Kotex products. Now this one is working on the Security Super Tampons 18 count. Those are priced at $3.25. After the $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $2.25. If you want to pick up any of the U by Kotex products, those are priced at $4. After the $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3. So next up, we have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl lip products. Now I'm not sure why, but these products aren't pulling up in my app any longer. I'm not sure if it's because a lot of those products were included in the last clearance event or what. But I'm pretty sure that those were priced around $7. But definitely go ahead and clip that because as you guys know, we do have a clearance event coming up this weekend. So those CoverGirl coupons will come in handy. Next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Angel Soft 12 Big or Family Rolls. Those are priced at $5 each. After the coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $4.50. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Clairol hair color products. So those are priced at $7. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $5. And I don't know about you guys' stores, but a lot of my stores have the Clairol hair color products in the clearance aisle. So if you are out scoping out your stores this week, definitely check. Go ahead and scan the prices and see what it'll be after that coupon is applied. Alright, next up we have 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. So the foundations and powders are priced at $6. After that $3 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3. And again, the CoverGirl coupons will come in handy for the clearance event. So next up we have 50 cents off 1 for the Clorox Liquid Bleach 40 ounce or larger. So if you pick up the 77 ounce, those are priced at $3.75. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3.25. Or you can pick up the 43 ounce jugs. Those are priced at $2.75. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $2.25. And again, don't forget about that DG reward. I'm not exactly sure what it was. I can't remember right off the top of my head. But if you are working toward that reward, I would definitely take advantage of it this week and use this coupon. I'm pretty sure it was on the Clorox and the Pine Sol and one more product, but I don't want to tell you guys the wrong thing, so just double check your DG rewards. Next up we have $1 off 1 for the Downy or Bounce products. Those are priced at $4.50, so after that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3.50. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry detergent, and it also includes the flings, the fabric softener, the sheets, all of those items. Those are all priced at $6.95, so after the $2 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $4.95. And we still have that spend $30, save $5 on Gain products, that DG store coupon. So that one will expire at the end of this week, and hopefully we will get a 5 off 20. But we can definitely come up with a pretty good Gain deal with the coupons that we have for this week. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Gain Flings 14 count. Those are priced at $3.95, so after that coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $2.95. And then we have a Tide coupon. So we have 2 off 1 for the Tide liquid detergent, or the pods, or the Drift. So those are priced at $8.95. After the $2 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $6.95. Over this Save 2 off 2 for the Pine Aline multi-purpose cleaners. So with this coupon, you have to pick up one of the larger 128 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $5, and then you can pick up one of the 56 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $2.75. So that'll put your total at $7.75. After the $2 coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $5.75 for 2. So that's a really, really good deal, especially because we don't get a whole lot of deals on cleaning supplies. So definitely take advantage of that one as well. Then some of you guys may have received this Save $1 on any one package of Brawny Tear a Square 2-roll packs of paper towels. So these are priced at $5. After the $1 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $4. So that is it for all of the new Dollar General digital coupons for this week. Alright guys, so now we're going to take a quick peek at this week's inserts, or at least the ones that I received. This is for February, Sunday the 21st. Now, I made a mistake last week. The cashier handed me the ad early, but she gave me the one that was for this week instead of last week, because obviously if you guys check the app, the ad last week was pretty much non-existent. So we've already kind of went over that last week, and I'm going to do a more in-depth video. We're going to have a good deals and glitch list video coming up next, so be on the lookout for that. I've had an extra week to do some coupon matchups, so that should be a really good informative video for you guys. So if I were you, I wouldn't even waste my money on these inserts this week. They're pretty much slim. There's only a few pages in these. We have the Smart Source, $25 in savings, it says. We have Colgate coupons, 50 cents off 1, toothpaste, toothbrush, and mouthwash. We have the Clairol hair color coupons, 5 off 2, 2 off 1, and a couple of 2 off 1s down there at the bottom. We have Gold Bond, 2 off 1 and 3 off 2. And then we have 2 off 1 for the Splenda. We have 2 off 1 for the Alka-Seltzer products, 1 off 1, and 3 off 1 for the Aleve products, 40 count or larger. And then here we have 4 off 2 for the Splenda, and then 150 off 1 for the Nutella. And on the back here we have Zyrtec, 10 off 1 and 4 off 1. So that's it for the Smart Source. And then the Retail Me Not is even smaller than that. So we have 3 off 1 for the Iams dry dog food. There's the Family Dollar ad. So I keep saying this, but I really do need to go ahead and sign up and check out some Family Dollar deals as well. We only have one in my town though, so if there's any other couponers that's couponing there, I bet it's going to be a little bit harder to get some good deals. So there's that. Oh, one more page. Alright, then we have the Ambrian 7 off coupons. And then on the very back we have the Krispy Kreme coupons. So that is it for this week's inserts. Again, if I were you, if you haven't went out and picked up your newspaper yet, I wouldn't even bother with it this week. We have digital coupons, we have the coupons.com app, and printable coupons, all of that good stuff that you can, we'll probably have the same value coupons in a printable version. So, alright guys, that's it for the inserts. Alright guys, that is it for me for now, but like I said, I will be uploading a good deals and glitch list video, as well as a clearance event video where I will show you guys some visuals, we'll do some coupon matchups, and I'll give you guys all of the information that you need to know to get ready for this upcoming clearance event. So just in case you missed it, or if it's your first clearance event that you're going to be participating in, I'm going to leave a couple of links to some videos down below, including our last clearance event. I had a really good haul video, and we had some really good videos with some visuals. So I'll leave all of that link down below in a pinned comment, so definitely go check that out, because I'm sure a lot of the items that were included in the last clearance event will also still be included in this clearance event. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.